Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe and Jen.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be making some raisin rice, and here are the ingredients you will need to put this recipe together. Now first, this is the rice I will be using. I have the bag right here so you can see. For the best result, I always use this brand here. If you prefer to use a different rice, you can go right ahead, it's not a problem, but I just love to use this one. I've been using it for a while and I find it to be very nice. So I kept on using it. Now you will need some oil, garlic, sugar, black pepper seed, ginger, and here I have 2 packs of Sazon, and this is the light brand. It's not the bright orange color, so try not to get the bright orange color, otherwise your rice will be too orange. And here I have 3 bay leaves. I have onion powder, black pepper, complete seasoning, adobo, chicken bouillon, paprika, and some chief fried rice seasoning. Here I have some shredded carrots, celery leaf, sweet pepper, scallions, onion, and here I have some raisin that I'm going to add some hot water and soak it for about 20 minutes or so. So now that we have all the ingredients, we're gonna head over to the stove. I have some water coming up to a boil and I'm gonna go wash my rice. So guys, now that my water come up to a boil, I'll add in my rice here. And you wanna make sure you cook your rice with a lot of water. You don't want it to be crowded in the pot and then it gets too sticky. We're gonna give this a stir, and we will add in the black pepper seed and the 3 bay leaf that we have. You want to make sure that you cook your rice to the softness that you like your rice to be. I will leave you the time that I take my rice off the stove. So I'm going to leave my stove on high heat and I will let you know when I take my rice down. So guys, after 20 minutes I'm taking my rice off the stove and I'm going to go strain this and I'll be right back. So guys, to my non-stick pan, I'm going to add in about 1/4 cup of oil. We're going to allow that to come up to a nice hot temperature. So now that my oil come up to a nice hot temperature, I'm going to add in my garlic and my ginger. And to that, I will also add in my onions. Now you want to let this fry for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. You want the onion to get nice and softened. Now after that 3 minutes, you add in your raisins. And you can add in a little bit more or a little bit less of the raisins. It's up to your preference. Some people don't like a lot of raisins and some of you may like a lot more than I'm adding in. So you can adjust that to your likeness. After you add in your raisin and you fry it up for about a minute or so, you're going to add in your celery leaves and all the other veggies you have except the scallion. Now just allow this to fry up for about the next 3 minutes or so. So to your dry ingredients, you're going to add in your 2 pack of Sazon and you're going to add your brown sugar to that. After that 3 minutes and your veggies reduce a little bit, you're going to add in the rice. You're going to add in all of the dry ingredients on top of the rice. The only veggie that's left to add in is our scallions. And you're going to start mixing this, making sure that all the ingredients are well combined. And just if you would like to make less than this, you can split the ingredients in half and just make half of what I'm making. And don't be afraid to add the sugar, guys, because I'm not adding any sauce to this. The sugar will balance the salt from all the dry ingredients that I add in here. It will just balance the flavor really nice. And at this time, you have a chance to taste and make sure that the salt is enough for you, or the sugar if you would like to add some more. But this is just perfect for me. I'm going to continue turning this and making sure that all the ingredients are combined well. And I'll plate this up and I'll show you guys the end result.
I'm to try it.
So guys, as you can see, it's good. Chloe went in for a second bite.
Yummy. Bye. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
So guys, here's the final result of our raisin rice. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video.